Hi guys, there's just one or two things I didn't get a chance to show you. The final one was we had the question on having a block, bringing it into the AutoCAD drawing, bringing it into SolidWorks, and then manipulating the blocks. So remember in the demo I actually took the 3D models and I snapped it onto the blocks. So what we can do now is I'm just going to edit my sketch where those blocks live. So I'll just say edit sketch and look at my model from the top. And all you have to do is just drag these blocks around. So I'm going to move it towards the bottom over here. I'm going to take that block and maybe just shift it further up that side. And this plant, I'm going to move it a little bit up like that. And you'll see this, as soon as I exit my sketch, my 3D model will update and move around according to where my blocks are. So it's fully dependent on where the blocks are. It's fully mated to it. The other question was the searching tool and searching for things like forklifts and men or ladders or anything on the 3D Content Central website. So it's pretty easy. What you have to do is we just go here to the options, my search tool, and I make sure that my 3D Content Central is on. And I can actually go in and search for the model up in SolidWorks, as I showed you in the demo. Or what you can do is, in another example, not to repeat myself, what we can do is go to the design library over here, go to 3D Content Central, and then there's two options. One is the supply content, and the other is user library. So if I click on the button, what it'll do is it'll automatically connect me to the website. To save a bit of time, I've already got it at the bottom over here. So this is the 3D Content Central website. You can go there without even using the SolidWorks link. You can go to 3D Content Central. See, it's a SolidWorks product, and you can log in. And then all you do is you type in what you're looking for. So you can just say fork lift, and what the SolidWorks will do is it'll go and search for user libraries and supplier content. Maybe these are suppliers, and if you go to the user library over here, it gives me models that users have uploaded themselves to the 3D Content Central website. I'll just take this forklift, this generic forklift over here. Click on it. It'll allow me to configure it. So I'm going to choose it as a 2012 part file, and it's going to give me a 3D preview, so I can actually have a look of the model in 3D before I actually go and download the thing, just to use it as a scale reference, which is fine. So what you do is you click on the download button. I click, hold and drag into SolidWorks, and I can just go and save it somewhere. It'll take you a few seconds to download, and that assembly will be available for me to use inside of SolidWorks immediately. There we go. So I can take that forklift and use it straight inside of SolidWorks. And it's a really nice website actually. There's a lot of things you can have a look at, you know, like the ladder I had. All the different kinds of ladders and things you can download from the website. That's a really nice tool to use in case you don't have to redraw stuff if things exist already. And you can see on the top there's a lot of things you can download. There's a supply content from actual suppliers themselves. Or what we can do is look at things like 2D blocks if you want to do layouts. There are blocks and things you can download already. The macros that you can automatically run in SolidWorks. And you can go to your model suppliers over here and actually search for suppliers of specific things as well.